This is the home, the most electrifying man in Wall Street English history. The home says, welcome to Wall Street English. The home says, come join WSE if you want to improve your English. After studying English here, you're gonna realize exactly why Wall Street English is, without a shadow of doubt, the best English education center of all time, and why they call Wall Street English the People's English Education Center. If you smell what the home is cooking,